Yes, sir.
Okay. So this create put request and execute command. This is basically available directly in a shared library. So I will show you that library. This URL you can use to include this JavaScript, and this has many functions, including it has the base URL already mentioned here. You can use this variable in your JavaScript to have this base URL. And then if you see, I have taken this put request from this library only. There is execute command at given base URL. So this I have copied. There is execute command with complete URL also. You can get the form data from here. It will automatically take all your data in JSON form. Then here create is column exist request. Get all requests. So all these requests are created here only. Get all record request. Create get all column request. Get request. Get by key request. So many functions are already available to create the request. What you have to send is token, DB name, relation name, or your data. Get all relation. It will give you a list of all relation available in a DB name. So a lot of functions there. If you find some function missing here, let me know, we will create it. So what you have to do is copy this URL, remove these two functions from here. Now we don't need these two functions and include that script here. How to include script is very simple. We can add here only. Take that URL again, copy it and paste here. So this JavaScript is included now. So these two methods are available there, but this method name is different. This is not execute command there. In that file, it is basically execute command at given base URL. So we have to change this. But this method name is same, create put request. So now it will take this from that JavaScript and this also, this function also. But this is our own function because our the form is our. This is our own function because we have to reset our form. And again, this validate we have to form. So form related things will be here, and JPDB related things are available in this JavaScript. That is JPDB Commons JS. So your program is now even smaller. Save it and you will see everything is working here. Now it is taking time because it is taking that JavaScript online from somewhere else. So now if we say another, so this is for Sneha and you get the response, record number 7. And if you see, go here, select sample, and you will get this Rishika's record. Earlier we saved and now Sneha's record. So we have used library we have already developed for JPDB as a JPDB Commons. So overall, if you using this library, you see this is the code that is needed. This is the code that is related to your page. This is the code that is related to your page. This is again that is related to your page. Only you have to do these two things that are coming from that JavaScript. It is so simple that 2 lines of this code added and your form is ready.